going, man. Peace is what makes the world go round.
Yes, totally.
Ah! No! No! Ah! 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 Go! 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 Ah! No! Fight! Good God. On this sad day, we celebrate the death of our good friend James. He was also a leader. Please forgive me! I'm sorry I killed James. Please forgive me. Please forgive me, Charles. Please, Loba, forgive me. We shall forgive you, our friend.
We should have a feast.
Yeah! A feast! Rock for James! Rock! Good thing we made peace. Exactly. Don't you think that once we rain down?
Yeah, I definitely think that. Our good friends, Lovely Rainbow and Slip Bear. And Charles will always be best friends. I'm just so sad that James couldn't join us on this day.
Let's feast on!